Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another video. So in this channel I show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. So if you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel and stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this awesome project that we are going to talk about in few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. So today in this video we'll be talking about Smart Marketing Token. So Smart Marketing Token is basically a part of Student Coin. So I already covered Student Coin project in my previous video. I'll be leaving the link in the description box for that video too. So you get complete information about Student Coin project also. So Smart Marketing Token is a tokenized marketing agency that will be responsible for promoting tokens that are created on Student Coin terminal. So their main mission is to spread blockchain voice around the globe. So you can be a part of their mission and help them to spread the word about blockchain technology around the globe. So if you want to participate in their mission, you have to just purchase SMT token using your credit card, MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. If you want to purchase that token, you have to just click on this buy SMT right now and it will be redirecting you to the page like this where you can sign in to invest into the Smart Marketing Token project. And they are currently in the round 21 out of 100. So here you can check out price of one SMT token is around 0.6 USDT, and so as each round proceed further, the price of one SMT token will be increased by 1%. So they have currently raised around 400,000 USDT and this round has raised around 9,278 USDT. So each round will be raising around 20,000 USDT. So here you can check out all information about the ICO rounds of Smart Marketing Token. It will be ending in 80 days. So you can plan accordingly and recommend you to purchase this token right now. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. So you will be finding 5% bonus if you use my link in the description box. So if you want to get 5% bonus of your purchase, you can use my link from the description box. So you can purchase this token right now by using my link in the description box. So what is Smart Marketing Token? So they have provided us with few points why we should use Smart Marketing Token for future ICO promotions. First point is that they have given us the fixed fees promotion. So they are going to charge 3% of total net raised profit in the fundings of Student Coin ecosystem. So if you are using Launchpad or Student Coin, you have to pay 3% of total raised profit from the ICO that they are going to conduct. So for example, if you have raised around 100,000 USDT in the ICO round using Student Coin, you have to pay around 3,000 USDT as a fees. So this is a kind of good thing that they have kept fees promotion as fixed 3%. So no matter how much you raise, you have to just pay 3% of total raised profit. Second thing is that voting. They are going to conduct quarterly voting for the Student Coin holders. So they are going to give them opportunity with the help of the voting system and they can choose among the project that they want to promote in Smart Marketing Token. And the third thing is that they are going to provide SMT services 24/7. So this is a good thing that they are going to provide 24/7 services to their customers. And the fourth thing is that they are going to provide educational services also. So token holders can learn marketing from the experts and they are going to provide tips and tricks. Fifth thing is that they are going to be highly transparent. So all the token holders will be able to look through what are the things that is happening behind the scenes. They are hoping to build a highly effective project and they are going to work for the long term and they are going to build a good relationship with the token holders. And the last thing is that they are going to provide staking also. So you can stake your SMT tokens and you will be getting rewards distributed directly into your wallet. So in the white paper they have provided what are the benefits of holding SMT token. So SMT token will be getting access to wide marketing projects first. And the second thing is that SMT token holders will be getting special bonus in the Launchpad funding. Third thing is that SMT token holder will be getting access to Smart Marketing educational platform also. If you hold SMT token, you will be getting access to their educational platform also. All the holders will be getting access to fully fundamental and legal project analysis also. So they are going to provide legal analysis and fundamental analysis of the project. And the last thing is that they are going to provide staking to the SMT token holders. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box for the white paper. I recommend you to check out the white paper for getting more information about the project. And here you can check out the roadmap of Smart Marketing Token. You'll be getting complete information about the project by going through the roadmap. You can get complete information about that future events and future development regarding the project. So I recommend you to go through the roadmap once for getting more information about the project. So you can join their ICO by clicking on this buy Smart Marketing Token and you can also calculate how much you will be getting if you invest 100 USDT. Here you can check out you can get up to 166 SMT token if you purchase right now in the phase 21. So you can purchase accordingly by calculating over here and you get up to 5% bonus if you use my link from the description box. And they're also going to have a referral system. If you have a good marketing network and good marketing skills, you can generate up to 15% income by referring your friends and family into this Smart Marketing Token. So you can get up to 15% bonus if a person is investing using Smart Marketing Token, and you can get up to 10% bonus if they are investing in ETH. So you can generate your referral link by clicking over here, generate your referral channel and you can just start inviting people into the smart marketing token. And here you can check out the tokenomics of smart marketing token. They have given a detailed information about the tokenomics. They are going to provide 15% to the teams and advisory board, and 55% will be kept for ICO sale alone, and 5% will be given to the airdrop, and the 10% will be kept for the marketing, and for future development they have kept 15% of the total supply, and the total supply is around 10 million. For much more detail, I will be leaving the link in the description box for detailed tokenomics. You can find more information about tokenomics by going through that link. So from here you can check out complete information about the teams and advisory board of smart marketing token, and here they have also provided us the partners list of smart marketing token. You can get more information about the partners by going to their white paper. Also, I'll be leaving the link in the description box for the white paper. You can check them out, and you can find information about smart marketing token by going through these media pages. They have reviewed this project in detail, and you can get more information about project by going through the reviews too. From here you can get more information by going through the documents and white paper. If you have doubt regarding the project, you can contact them with the help of their emails, or you can directly contact their support also. And I recommend to follow them on all the social medias that are mentioned over here: Facebook, Twitter and Telegram. I recommend to join the Telegram group because their team members are highly active over Telegram. If you have any doubt regarding the project or any query regarding how to participate in the ICO, you can ask them over there. So I recommend you to purchase this token right now in phase 21, because as the phase round increases further, the price of the SMT token will be increasing by 1%. So nearly about 80 days are left for their ICO to complete. So before purchasing this token, I recommend you to go through the terms and condition white paper and privacy policy first. This will be helping you to clarify all doubts regarding the project, and if you have doubt regarding the project, you can ask them over Telegram, or else you can ask me in the comment section of this video. I personally feel like this project smart marketing token will be making a huge success in near future as they proceed with the development of the project. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.